Look at those shoes. So shiny.
Like gold.
What the? The comedians go to British Bake Off. And then have the judges from British Bake Off go to the Taskmaster.
Oh. Welcome back, all. We're here again today, and so are you, apparently. If you're watching this, I assume you're here. Maybe you're not all here. But anyway, today we are watching something interesting that popped up in my feed because I am a huge fan of the British Bake Off. I've watched all the seasons except for maybe the newest one because I've got Bitsy, in case you couldn't tell.
Bitsy?
Bitsy. I've got Bitsy. Anyway, this popped up. It's Taskmaster's Alex Horne brings a snail to Bake Off. I didn't even know he had an appearance in this. I think it's an extra thing. It's not actually in the British Bake Off show. It's just like a promotional, maybe.
It does say the Great Stand Up to Cancer Bake Off, so maybe they brought comedian. Maybe they did like a collab to raise money for cancer.
Maybe. I did see another one with Lee Mack, so we might be checking that one out later. But anyway, we're here checking out Alex Horne first, and I have to address something. You are in a sweater.
Yeah, it's
I am
cold.
in a short sleeve.
It's
I'm
freezing.
actually really comfortable.
I have been freezing. When I work outside, unless it's like summertime, and then I come home, I just get super cold. I don't know if anyone else has that, but I
mean, it was kind of chilly today. It was windy, but...
No, I worked outside all day, like t-shirt, all that stuff, but like when I get home, I just want to be nice and warm and cozy. So anyway, guys, we're going to get right in this video and check out Alex Horne.
And see what he cooks up.
Normally in my day job I come up with the tasks in Taskmaster. Unfortunately I've got a reputation for being creative, and that will die today because I'm going to make some basic cakes. I'm making fig rolls, inspired by my favourite ever pet, Santa the Snail. This is Santa. Santa died 6 years ago. So I buried him, and then the next morning, a fox had dug him up, put him on our front doorstep. So the children thought he'd risen again.
Oh my gosh!
Lazarus.
It was after one day, beat Jesus' record.
Whether piping or cutting their dough,
You've got flour on your face, that looks good.
Oh no.
I wish I had flour on my face.
the bakers need to handle their animal biscuits with utmost care.
Now you call these elephants?
What do you call them?
I'm a bit behind.
I forget who all these characters are. I recognize the bald guy. I can't remember what season he was in, but I think he was one of the side announcers, comedic relief. He was one of those in the earlier seasons, I think. The other bakers, I don't know who they are, so I don't know if they're only specific to this bit, or if they were in a season I missed.
I was also going to say, yeah, I've never seen this show at all. It's not like I have anything against it. I actually do enjoy watching some cooking shows.
Okay.
I love Gordon Ramsay's.
Right.
Granted, he's got like 50 shows.
All you need to know is the silver-haired older guy, the judge, he is the Simon of the Bake Off.
Oh, really? He's like
Yes.
the dick?
Yeah, in a way. He's harsh, but he's actually a
But he's
big
good.
softie,
Okay.
yes.
All right.
And then Prue is the older lady, and I forget.
They're not the shape I was looking for.
Chef. Oh, good. Oh, he didn't catch it.
What are his shoes? Look at those shoes. So shiny.
It's gold.
What the?
I think the flavour's great. Texture's a bit hard.
They're cute.
You overbake them.
Is it too late to redeem that? Can I put them back in?
I always judge things. Would I pay money for it? And I would.
Oh.
Yeah, I would as well.
Well, you're welcome.
Well done.
That was like going to work for two megalomaniacs who, if I don't make good enough products, will make me cry.
I'm not gonna lie, I mean, that's better than probably I could have cooked. Like, I can cook decently, but I'm not like pretty or
Right.
creative. I don't have the creative
So,
talent.
because you've never seen the show, that first one was called the Signature Challenge. You bring a recipe that you know of. It doesn't really need to be a specific genre or anything. You just do your own recipe that you've come up with. This next one's called the Technical Challenge, and basically they give you half a recipe, or
No,
you have
you
to
d-
figure out what to do. And usually it's
Do you
like
have to actually make it the recipe?
Yeah, it's supposed to be making something like, say, it's a maple and pecan madeleines.
Madeleines, yeah.
Okay, so he has to make that, but he doesn't know, the full recipe. It usually doesn't say, like, how long you cook it or proper measurements. But anyway.
Make a beurre noisette. I'm changing the recipes as I go along. Make a beurre noisette, please. It's all quite rudely written by Prue. Melt the butter until just starting to brown.
How do you brown butter? It just melts. What does it mean?
Can you think of any fun things with the word technical? That's a
think any of these
technical
are for,
disqualification. That's a technical
chefs.
fault.
Well, that doesn't look appetising, does it?
It's a technical problem.
Technical problem.
It's all negative. They never say that's a technical piece of art. It's a good technical joke.
Ooh, those look good.
Oh, wow, that looks...
I quite like the very bold feathering.
The flavour's good. Nice amount of chocolate. Lost a bit of definition in this one.
are off.
He did well.
Let's get it popping.
Shu,
The
Well, I
fun-
don't honestly know if he can get kicked off. For, like he's an invited guest. He's not going to get kicked off, I don't think.
is spelt Chooks, and it's what you get in profiteroles.
Okay, I feel like all these
My
people are
talent
comedians.
is building skate
Cracking.
parks. I built that skate park in my
Oh
garden.
my god, that's so
And
cool.
you did that.
I remember you tricked me into doing that.
Yeah, I
didn't you?
did, yeah.
You said this is for Taskmaster, and I spray
Noel did
painted
that.
your shed, and then you went, that was just for me. That was a total lie.
So I'm recreating your graffiti of me
That's
on
great.
my skate ramp.
But as well as shoe buns, Alex's structure will be constructed with an unlikely ingredient.
Well, I'm sorry. I wonder if he could have like someone clean his house. Look up there and be like, it's for the show.
It's for the show. Clean my bathroom.
As well as shoe buns, Alex's structure will be constructed with an unlikely
He seems to know what he's
ingredient.
doing.
A bangers and
Really good
mash
cook.
version of shoe pastry. And I'm going to stuff some of the shoe buns with the gravy potato mixture.
It's going to be
I think shoe bun is what they call like a cream puff. What we think of as a cream puff.
Guess we'll find out.
eating coal, though, isn't it?
Do you mind?
Yeah.
You do mind?
We'll think what it's going to taste like when it's cold.
Haven't got time to muck around.
The bakers can now turn their attentions to the fillings.
You look like a superstar DJ.
They're official onion goggles.
Uh,
And they're brilliant. You don't cry.
Interesting. There's one thing I've learned. Some people were meant to bake, and some people were meant to be baked for. And respectfully, I am of the latter.
You're bouncy.
Bakesy.
Ooh, fancy.
This is my sausage and mash and shoe skate park.
Your design's pretty cool. You've used a lot of shoe in there to create that. I'd like to see it probably a little bit higher. I'm really not looking forward to cold.
No.
So
I feel like he might be being a little bit nicer than he would if this was like actual people.
To an extent, he's not as blatant as.
Some,
Well, sometimes he is actually, because there'll be times where it's like, that's undercooked. I will not finish that. You know.
be a little bit higher. I'm really not looking forward to cold,
No.
savoury, if I'm brutally honest.
It's more fun for me than you, definitely. You eating that.
Come on.
Nice big mouthful.
I'm not going to look at your face. I do think it's witty and it's fun, but it ain't gastronomy.
Do you want me to take it away and put it immediately
I'd
in the
like
bin?
you to take
Yes,
it.
please.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
I don't think you should subject any of your classmates to this.
Thank you for your comments.
Interesting. Well, that's cool. I didn't even know they did that. That kind of skit show. Or I guess it was for a cancer bake-off, so I'm assuming like a charity
yeah,
event.
that was,
But it's cool that they have like the original judges and the tent.
it's
They
a
have the tent.
collab.
It's a collab, yes.
They're raising money though, which is really cool. Yeah, no, it's just he's so witty.
He's clever, yeah. Does he have stand-up?
I think I've asked this, but I don't think he does. I could be wrong. Comment down below again if he does stand up, or we'll just Google it when we're done. Because I'm not for sure actually.
He seems like he's pretty busy though.
Yeah,
Creating
no,
all those tasks.
yeah.
At first I thought, oh, is this like part of Taskmasters? Like you have to bake something for the
Wait, what they
break
should have done
off?
is they should have had the comedians go to British Bake Off, and then have the judges from British Bake Off go to the Taskmaster.
Oh, switch up there.
There's
Except
a little switchery.
the judges aren't really comedians. They're professionals.
You don't have to be a comedian to do Taskmaster.
Mostly. Seems like.
No, they have comedians, but you don't have to be a
I
comedian.
guess. Have they had other celebrities? Has Ed Sheeran been on it? I'm a fan. That would be cool.
Anyway, guys, that was the video. Just a little random one that we did because she wanted to. So that's why we did.
Thank you.
Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Let us know what you thought down below. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. As always, please be safe. Take care. Look out to one another. And cheers.
And let me know if I'm good at picking videos or not.